Hello Leo, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 30th November to 6th December. Now being general readings, not all messages might resonate Leo, so keep whatever resonates. This week, in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself Leo in your career, business or money situation. Also what challenges or obstacles you could face, if any, so that you can handle that wisely. So let's see Leo. Spirits and guides, angels and guides. General energies, Leo, career, business and money. Please guide. Spirits and guides, angels and guides. Career, business, money. Please guide. Please guide. Spirits and guides. So last shuffle I will just do spirits and guides, angels and guides, Leo's energy, career, business, money situation. Please guide. Five of Swords, Ace of Cups. This is King of Wands, Four of Wands, Three of Wands, Page of Swords, Eight of Pentacle, one more, the Emperor. So Leo, I feel that you could go through some this is Five of Swords, like somebody could just be causing you irritation, or you might lose your cool, kind of a situation. Somebody giving you stress, a situation or a person here that it seems that here of course it feels that mentally you will be in that stressful state here, wondering whether to confide, or sort out the situation by talking it out or not. So that will be a confusion that is going to create a little bit of stress here. This is what I get. There might be certain things that might stress you up. It could be in your family situation, it could be in your the people with you whom you work with. So that is what I get here. But after I feel Ace of Cups, so I feel that it is about relationships here. Let me tell you, because that's what the energy is giving us. It's about relationships. So some of you, it's not for everybody. For a new relationship, there could be issues with new relationship with the other person that you are dealing with. So this is this card has come out, so I had to take it. Now this energies will also reflect in your career situation, in your job. It will reflect the way you work. So that's what, with this King of Wands now. So King of Wands, you are very, King of Wands, very passionate, very hardworking, very fiery, visionary. So you have to be in this energy. Do not take undue risk. Take calculated risk with King of Wands. You will be willing to take risk. But do not get impulsive. It could make you lose your balance. That's what I get with this cards here. Be very careful with sudden impulsive risk that you would want to take, because the energy is like that. Be careful, do not go for quick rich schemes, that or schemes that seem to be too good. That's what I get with this card. Then Four of Wands, yes, definitely some deals, partnership will come through in this month for you, in December month, which will help you in your foundation, strong foundation of your business, or your job. You might get a new project here. In personal life, you could be attending marriages, or either you could be getting married, or you could be attending marriages with your family, or you yourself with friends. So you will do a lot of shopping, and you will indulge in lot of expenses. So be careful with that also. Be realistic with your budget. Get down to your realistic budget and only spend. Do not go overboard, because it's shopping and makes you feel good, but you might lose the track of your real budget that you have for it. So just be careful with that. Three of Wands, so it's a card of waiting, it's a card of waiting, so maybe you have worked on a certain deal before, or a business on a business deal before, so you're still waiting. There is some stuck money, there is some stuck or the results, you're waiting for the results, like, or you're waiting for the ships to come in with the goodies. Is that kind of energy here? So definitely there is some waiting for some work you have done before, and you're waiting for the results. Either it's monetary gain, or professional, otherwise also getting a deal, getting a project, getting a new partnership, getting a new job. So it is like you are waiting for that card. But with this Page of Swords, again I feel that whatever you have been waiting for in the last part of December, last 10 days, you might get a message, you might get a communication, and your wait will be over. That's what I get with this card here. There will be whatever you have been waiting for since last month, in the last 10 days of December, you might hear from them. If you're waiting for a job situation, yes, a message will come, so it will resonate differently to all of you here. Eight of Pentacles, working hard, consistent working hard, persistent working hard. It is like ladder, climbing the ladder of success slowly and steadily. That's what. But it seems that this stress phase is a very temporary phase of yours. Maybe this could also be your inner demon, that you are. There will be a lot of negative thoughts or stressful situations, so maybe you are fighting or wrestling your inner demons at this time. That's what I get here, and it's temporary. I'm telling you, it's only for this week, this energy here. The Emperor card, so that's what, plan things, be logical, be analytical, stay focused, do not do impulsive business deals, do not go for anything impulsive comes with this Emperor card. And you will be doing this, you will be doing this, but with a certain small amount of challenges that you have, you will come out of it very well by this week here. By the end of this week, with this Emperor energy, you will have all the controls and focus, and you will come out of it. So here there is Eight of Pentacles. So money coming in from the hard work, or from a deal, partnership, whatever you have put in the hard work, whether it's in the business, project, deals, buying, selling, rental, leases, wherever, brokerages, farming, selling, negotiations, money will come from that to you. This is what it gets here. So this is it for this week. Let me just sorry, I did mention the last 10 days. This is not a December reading. This is the weekly reading, like, so it might come at the weekend, last few days, 2-3 days at the weekend. I just did a, Leo reading December, so I had that in mind. So let's see angel messages. Dreams. So this is what, believe in your dreams. So very nice positive messages. So this is it, Leo. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. Stay blessed.